vaccine for which there is data on children is the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, for which there is now a recommendation that it can be used in children above 12. And there may be children who are especially prone to this, to COVID complications because of their underlying illnesses. So it could be that a few children should be in that priority group that get that vaccine if it's available. But on the whole, what we're saying is that children are not the highest priority group for vaccination because their risk of severe illness is very, very low compared to older people. And because we're still in a situation of global supply shortage, we need to prioritize those who are at high risk of dying after getting COVID. So the elderly, the ones with the underlying illnesses, the healthcare workers, the frontline workers, before we open up, the vaccination program to children.